Hello, Jaden. Toy reviews.
Hello.
What toy you got today, Jaden?
Lion King.
Lion King. Okay, the new toy.
Oh yeah.
That's what you got. Let me see. Wow, you got Rafiki, Jaden. It's really nice. And you can connect them just like the Toy Story toys.
That's not quick.
Hey, Rafiki is carrying a small lion.
Small lion.
Wow.
Wow. That's awesome.
Yeah. The number 2 set of the Lion King toys in McDonald's. Okay, Jaden. So let's open it.
Yeah.
Okay. You excited, Jaden?
Yeah.
Here we go, Jaden. Toy reviews.
Thank you.
Instructions. Let me see the instructions, Jaden. These are all the toys. It looks like it. It shows you how to connect them, look, Jaden. Huh. Shows you how to connect them right there.
Oh, we'll give Rafiki.
Yeah, Rafiki and the lions on the back. The mom and dad lions, huh?
Yeah.
Right? Because this is the baby lion.
Yeah.
Right there in the top of the cliff.
Let's take off the plastic.
Okay, take off the plastic, Jaden. Toy reviews. So you place it in your hand. Didn't makes a sound. Wow. Let me try it out. Wow, it's a cool toy. Look, it says right here that you could win a ticket to see the new Lion King movie.
Yeah.
You could win a ticket.
Yeah.
That's cool. So you can see the movie, Jaden. Toy reviews.
You see the movie.
Look at the noise that it makes.
Let me try it.
You try, Jaden. Try it again. Place it in your hand.
Oh, okay.
Look, do it in my hand. Wow. Look at the toy. It looks so cool.
Yeah.
Look at the baby lion, Jaden.
Yeah.
The monkey is carrying it. You like your toy, Jaden? Toy reviews?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye to the camera.
Bye.